SEO stands for search engine optimization. Essentially, if your law firm's website has good SEO rankings, your website will be showing up high on Google's search engine for the right keywords that a prospective client types in while they're searching for a specific type of attorney in their immediate area. SEO shouldn't be confused with PPC, which stands for pay-per-click and involves buying ads on Google so you can show up above Google Maps and the organic search results. As an attorney in this digital age, it's vital that you utilize the power of SEO in order to drive up your exposure in the web. Effective and strategic SEO can play a huge role not only maintaining your current clients, but also driving new business. It's a vital investment for staying ahead of your competitors. Here's the thing, while there are certain elements that overlap SEO for law firms, it consists of particular steps and guidelines that maximize your firm's site and web presence. Because of this, you need to have a strategy specifically for lawyers like yourself. If you're curious about some of the best ways to amplify your SEO, send me a message here or hit me up a text at 415-366-9957.